हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल मन से मैथ। आज मैं डिस्कस करने जा रही हूँ 7th स्टैंडर्ड के लाइंस एंड एंगल्स चैप्टर की सेकंड एक्सरसाइज से कुछ और सम्स मैंने अपनी पहली वाली वीडियो में सॉल्व कर रखे हैं। अब कुछ नेक्स्ट और सम्स में उस एक्सरसाइज से सॉल्व करने जा रही हूँ। द चैप्टर नेम इज लाइंस एंड angles. Okay, it's B exercise. This is the 16th chapter in the book of Selena. Okay, exercise 16B. Okay, इसके कुछ sums already मैंने solve कर रखे हैं. Today I am going to solve the fourth sum of the exercise. Okay, there they have given these two lines are parallel to each other and this is the transversal line. This angle is given by A, this is B, here is C and here is D. This angle they have given by 110, here is E, F, G. This much information they have given. We need to find all the unknown angles. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. All these unknown angles we'll have to find. So these two lines are parallel. These two lines are parallel. ठीक है, पैरेलल लाइन के ऊपर और ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन की सेम साइड पे ये दो एंगल्स पड़े. ठीक है, पैरेलल लाइंस के ऊपर एंड ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन की सेम साइड पे. ठीक है, ये दोनों एंगल्स पड़ रहे हैं. किस टाइप के एंगल्स हैं ये? दीज आर द कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स. मीन्स वैल्यू ऑफ ए विल बी इक्वल टू 110. द रीजन इज कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स. Okay, means A is 110. So will be D. ठीक है, A and D are vertically opposite angle ना, इस vertex के opposite है. ठीक है, कौन सा एंगल आ रहा है? D. Means D is equal to angle A, vertically opposite angles. Means the value of D will also 110 degree. This is 110 degree we have calculated. This will also be of 110 degree. Okay, so what would happen? And these two angles, here is seen, these are two parallel lines, this is a transversal line. ठीक है, पैरेलल लाइन के बीच में, ठीक है, विद इन और ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन की सेम साइड पे जो ये दो एंगल्स होते हैं, ये कौन से एंगल्स हैं? को इंटीरियर एंगल्स, सी एंड 110. ठीक है, दोनों पैरेलल लाइंस के अंदर और ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन की एक साइड पे. ठीक है, C and 110 are co-interior angles and we know that co-interior angles are supplementary. Okay, means C plus 110 degree is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so C is equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree is equal to 70 degree. Okay, C is equal to 70 degree. This is C. The value of C is 70 degree. Okay, see these two lines are parallel. This is a transversal line. These two lines are the parallel. This is a transversal line. What would be the relationship between these two angles? Here is C, here is E. What would be the relationship? Which type of these two angles are? Okay, these two lines are the parallel lines. This is a transversal line. Okay, what is the relationship between these two angles? Which kind of these two angles are? These two angles are alternate interior angles. ठीक है, these both will be equal. Means E is equal to C. E is equal to C alternate interior angles. Okay, means E is also 70 degree. Okay, so will be G. G is equal to E, vertically opposite angle, means G is also 70 degree. Okay, and F is equal to 110 degree vertically opposite angles. Thus we have calculated all the unknown angles. A, B we haven't calculated, B is left there. B will be same as of C, vertically opposite angle. Okay, B is equal to C, vertically opposite angle. B, C we have calculated as 70 degree. 70 degree. Okay, so A, B, C, D, E, F, G. We have calculated all the unknown angles. Hope this sum is clear to you. See the next one. Sixth sum के कुछ पार्ट्स मैंने ऑलरेडी अपनी पहली वाली वीडियो में सॉल्व कर रखे हैं, ठीक है. First 5 sums I have solved there. Now sixth sum I am going to start with the sixth part. Sixth sum, sixth part. Okay, the figure is given by these two are the parallel lines. Okay, these two are the parallel lines, and this is a transversal line. First, focus over this. What angles are given over this transversal line or corresponding to this transversal line? This is 60 degree. This is R. This is T. Here is P and here is Q. See what would be the relationship between P and 60 degree? दोनों ही पैरेलल लाइन के ऊपर और ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन की सेम साइड पे पड़े, ठीक है. सो P is equal to 60 degree. The reason is these two angles are, which type of these two angles are? These two angles are corresponding angles. So these two angles will be same, and we know that T plus 60 degree is equal to 180 degree, linear pair, or angles on a straight line. T is equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree, it will be equal to 120 degree. T is equal to 120 degree, and T and Q will be same. T and we have calculated P, okay, this. Then by using, here we have used corresponding angle property, here I have used a linear pair property to get T. T and Q will be same. Q is equal to T. How these two angles are same? Corresponding angles. These two are the corresponding angles. ठीक है, जो ये वीडियो फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम देख रहे हैं, ये सारे एंगल्स, कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स, ऑल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल, ऑल्टरनेट एक्सटीरियर एंगल, को इंटीरियर एंगल, कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स, ये सारे मैंने अपनी पहली वाली वीडियोस में डिस्कस कर रखे हैं. ओके, ये आप वो वीडियोस देख के आपको ये समझ आ जाएगा अगर ये आप वीडियोस फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम देख रहे हो. ओके, सो Q is equal to T. T we have calculated as 120 degree, means Q will also be 120 degree, and see the relationship between T and R. T will be equal to R, or you can say R is equal to T. Okay, these are two vertically opposite angles, means R is also 120 degree. तो इस पहले वाली ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन पे जो जो एंगल आए सारे निकाल लिए ना, ठीक है. T R P Q, all the angles we have calculated. ठीक है, ये फिगर कंप्लीट नहीं हुई थी, ये फिगर आगे दी है. वन मोर ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन दे हैव गिवन देयर. So I'm going to draw the figure again. Okay, these were two parallel lines. Okay, so this was first transversal line on which P Q T 60 degree and R, these angles were there. Now on the new transversal line, this is one more transversal line. Over this, here is X, here is 110. Obviously X will be equal to 110. How? Vertically opposite angles. Okay, then on one side of this S is given, we can use linear pair property, 110 plus S. Okay, 110 plus S is equal to 180 degree. Okay, or you could use the corresponding angles also if you don't want to use this here. Okay, this would be more easy. As it so parallel lines are these, na, we can't say that these two are the corresponding angles. because these two are not the parallel lines. Okay, we can't equate them. ठीक है, r plus x or s plus 110, you can use a linear property over these two angles, or you can use a linear pair property over these. One and same thing I'm going to use here. S plus 110 is equal to 180 degree linear pair. Okay, so s is equal to 180 degree minus 110, s is equal to 70 degree. Okay, these two also we have calculated. What next they have given? Here they have given y. Okay, now these two lines are parallel. These two lines are parallel. Okay, how can you calculate this? These, see again, here I'm going to draw again. These two lines are parallel lines and this is a transversal line. So what would be the relationship between this angle and this angle? Here is S, here is Y. Okay, what would be the relationship between these two? ठीक है, ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन के एक लेफ्ट साइड पे पड़ा है, एक राइट साइड पे पड़ा है. ओके, और दोनों ही ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन के बाहर वाले पोर्शन में, अंदर अंदर वाले में नहीं है, बाहर बाहर वाले पोर्शन में. मीन्स y इज इक्वल टू s alternate exterior angles. Means y is also 70 degree. These two are the parallel lines. This is a transversal line. Okay, ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन के एक एंगल लेफ्ट पे पड़ा है, दूसरा राइट पे पड़ा है, और दोनों ही पैरेलल लाइंस के बाहर बाहर पड़ेंगे दोनों एंगल्स. मींस दीज आर द ऑल्टरनेट एक्सटीरियर एंगल. दिस वी हैव कैलकुलेटेड ऑल द अननोन एंगल्स of this sum. Okay, hope whatever we have done today is clear to you. Thanks for watching the video.